Tenants are in and out in a flash, and between each resident, upgrades are essential to offer the modern conveniences they desire. Fortunately, there's a great-looking floor that will hold strong through it all. StrataMax vinyl sheet flooring from Armstrong Flooring provides maximum durability, maximum protection, and maximum efficiency to last through multiple tenants. With its sturdy rock-back construction, StrataMax can be laid without any complicated prep, so turnaround time is short. And with a superior performance against rips, tears, and gouges, the 70% limestone base, proprietary to Armstrong Flooring, gives you the durability you need for the next resident. StrataMax also features urethane plus coating for exceptional scratch and stain resistance. Saving you time and money, StrataMax can help reduce the number of units that need to be replaced annually by as much as 40%. And even after several turnovers, the floor will continue looking brand new. Protect your investment with maximum durability, maximum protection, maximum efficiency. Only with StrataMax. Armstrong Flooring, inspiring great spaces.